Hello students, welcome back. Standard 3rd. Today we will be doing the last chapter of semester 1, that is chapter 9. We will talk in this chapter about Mumbai and Chennai. So are you interested? In this chapter we will talk about the capital city, we will talk about the climate, their popular foods, the festivals. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Previously, it was known as Bombay. It is located on the coastlines of Arabian Sea in western India. I repeat once again, you have to remember students that Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, correct. But previously what it was known as? It was known as Bombay. And it is located on the coastline of the Arabian Sea in western India. Understood? So Mumbai is what? Is the capital of Maharashtra. Remember this. This may be asked as MCQ. Mumbai was originally a group of islands that were later joined together. A piece of land that is surrounded by water, that is island. Earlier, the islands were under the rule of King Ashoka and Gujarat Sultanate. So Mumbai was originally a group of 7 islands and then later it was joined together. So this was the most famous and popular thing. Let's talk about the climate. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot or not too cold. It is during summer followed by heavy rainfall during monsoon. So it is pleasant during winter. I repeat that the climate of Mumbai is neither too hot or cold. It is humid during summer followed by heavy rains during monsoon. So it is pleasant during winter season. Let's talk about Mumbai, about their textile industries. Mumbai has been flourishing, has been developing. Industries like crude oil, cotton textile, chemical, medicine and film making. So, likewise, Mumbai is called the business capital of India due to its more industries. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in Mumbai is the busiest railway station in India. Again, this is the most important sentence of this chapter, that is, which is the most busiest railway station in India? You can write as an answer as Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Let's talk the famous places of Mumbai. The Gateway of India, Juhu Beach, the Marine Divine, the Marine Drive and the Hanging Garden. Famous places, the Gateway of India, Juhu Beach, the Marine Drive and the Hanging Garden. The festival that are celebrated in Mumbai are Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas and Navroz. The popular snacks that the people eat more is famous in that place, that is Bhel Puri, Pani Puri and Pav Bhaji. So which are the famous popular snacks in Mumbai? Bhel Puri, Pani Puri and Pav Bhaji. So that was of Mumbai. Now let's talk about Chennai. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Yes, Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. So previously it was known as Madras and it is situated in the southernmost part of India on the shores of Bay of Bengal. Chennai is the 4th largest city in India. Let's talk about major port. Chennai is a major port city that is attracted to the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British traders and the merchants. So the British built fort, that is St. George, and the city was developed around this fort. Let's talk about the climate of Chennai. The climate of Chennai is hot and humid throughout the year. So the climate of Chennai is hot and humid throughout the year. Now there is rainfall during winter months months and it's very hot during daytime. So the cool breeze, sea breeze makes the evening pleasant. So this was about the climate of Chennai. Let's revise it once again. The climate of Chennai is hot and humid through the year, and there is rainfall during winter months and it's very hot during the daytime. The cool sea breeze makes the evening pleasant. So this was the climate of Chennai. The next part is about art and literature. So Chennai is a culture center of South India. It is the center of the South Indian. The city is famous for music, art and classical dance form, that is Bharatanatyam. Now let's see the famous places of Chennai. Fort St. George, as we have seen in previously. This is Gundi Snake Park, War Memorial, Gandhi Madham and Vivekanand Museum. These are some of the famous places in Chennai. Pongal is the main festival of Chennai. That festival is a harvest festival that is celebrated in the month of January. Rice is the staple food of Chennai, whereas the popular snacks are idli, vada, dosha and uttapam are some of the popular snacks. So students, I hope the concept is clear to you. You have understood it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.